तो बाजू में लेपर्ड बैठा था। हमको स्पॉट नहीं हुआ, हम लोग आजू बाजू में देख रहे थे उस साइड में। जो मैम थी उनको स्पॉट हुआ सर।
These pugs marks seem to be fresh.
वो उस दिन इसीलिए रखा जाता है क्योंकि उस दिन फुल मून रहता है, तब चांसेस बढ़ेगा साइडिंग का सर।
Actually वो एक ही अल्फा मेल अभी रह गया आफ्टर छोटा मटका ना, he is one of the alpha males. That a tiger sees us 100 times, but we get to see them only one time. And these are some jungle lords which the forest people talk about. Hi, we have two young guys who's come in, who's is a photographer and also a wildlife enthusiast, and they wanted to visit the forest of Tadoba. And what better time to go? So we thought I will also accompany them, so that I can talk to and give them the experience. Young boys, after all, so they need to have the experience. And I'm accompanying them to Palasgaon. Palasgaon is one of the recently opened gates. It was a night safari gate earlier. About a year and a half, they've converted that into a day safari where we get to see leopards. There's a tigress with cubs also. If we're fortunate, we can see them. And yes, let's see how it works out. We have the hampers ready and the jeep's there, so we shall be leaving right now.
Hi everyone, so my name is Ricardo and me and my team, we have been the branding and marketing custodians for 98 Stripes. Yesterday night I got a very interesting call from Mr. Manoj, and he told me that there are two young guys who have come in and they are wildlife enthusiasts, and I or my team should also definitely join in the safari experience because it's going to be a very different kind of a thing. Surprisingly, I have never been a part of any safari plans or any safari itineraries via 98 Stripes in Tadoba. So this is going to be a pretty interesting one because we have something in store. So yeah.
So just to keep you abreast of what happens inside, on the gate we are not allowed to carry the phones. So they will give us a box in which you can keep the phone inside. We are not allowed to have plastic bottles. Please don't get out of the car anytime inside the forest. There are designated places where you can get down. So if you need a bio break or something, do let us know. We will stop there. Now don't be disappointed when you don't see a tiger because it's not really tiger, and you got to be lucky. Because we just see 20% of the forest, we don't see the entire forest. So keep your eyes and ears open for other animals also, because there are enough and more of them. So there's a couple of things that I wanted you guys to know of. Keep yourself hydrated, right? And we have tiffin boxes. Whenever you feel hungry, you can make them stop at designated places. Don't open the box wherever, because that will disturb the animals. So I just thought I'll keep you abreast with a couple of points. So here, because you see this man inside, this is because this is a buffer zone which is cohabited with human beings, and that's the prime difference between a core and a buffer area. So this tree that you see here, this flower is called mahua flowers, which is very patent to this place. It happens during the summer season. The flower of it comes back, and the sloth bear, that's one of the major food for the sloth bears. Of course, there's the other side of it also.
टू कब से सर, सब अडल्ट कब से बेला को, और एक न्यू फीमेल है अपनी एरिया में, वो एरिया अलग है सर, उसमें उसको 3 कब से सर अभी 7th या 8 मंथ के होंगे वो अभी जी।
पर वो दिख नहीं रहे ना।
वो पिछले मंथ में हुआ था रेगुलर साइड सर, 1-2 जगह वहाँ पे उन्होंने किल किया था।
So you know what is a sub-adult? Sub-adult tigers means, generally when a cub is born, till the age about 24 months is when the kids stay with the mother. And after that, they are set free to create their own territory and boundaries. So when they reach about 10 months, 12 months is when they start being calling it subadult. When they start killing, just learn how to kill. They learn the survival instincts and all that. That's when they call subadults. This is commendable. I mean, this is what Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve is. यहाँ के फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर्स ने अपने बच्चों को इतना अच्छा ट्रेनिंग दिया है कि बीच रास्ते में उतर के भी प्लास्टिक उठाते हैं. For insensible people who drop plastic everywhere, this should be a real lesson for them. Well, good job done tonight. Good job.
Thank you, sir. मतलब जो लंगूर थे उनका कॉल आता, तो हम इधर उधर भाग लो. मतलब कॉल होता, रेगुलर होता. अपने कॉल सर लेपर्ड हो सकता है क्योंकि रेगुलर कॉल था. क्योंकि लेपुरर कॉल इसलिए रहता है, सर ने पहले आपको बता दिया कि वो ट्री के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है. तो थोड़ा आगे चले गए हम लोग, तो बाजू में लेपर्ड बैठा था. हमको स्पॉट नहीं हुआ, हम लोग आजू बाजू में देख रहे थे. उस साइड में जो मैम थी उनको स्पॉट हुआ सर लेपर्ड. तो मैम बोले कि लेपर्ड है. मैम बोला लेपर्ड है किधर? इनको भी नहीं दिखा, मेरे को भी नहीं, और उनके जो हस्बैंड थे उनको भी नहीं दिख रहा था. हाँ, अकेले को दिख रहा था. मैम बोला लेपर्ड है क्या? ये बाजू में है बोलती. ओपन प्लेस में था सर.
So we have stopped here because of the sound of the jungle cloud. Could be a movement of a tiger. That's what Pranay is also telling us. And we're waiting here to understand because the call is regular, it's not stopping. But that could be a tiger movement.
वापस आ रहा है. लंगूर स्टडी चलो भैया.
ये साइड भी सर,
किस साइड? ये यहाँ बट ये भी पुराने हैं.
क्या इधर भी
सेकंड इधर है वो. इधर पीहेंस है सर. चलो चाय का समय हो गया.
स्ट्रॉन्ग था कॉलिंग का जब आया था.
हाँ, जब वो उधर आया था वो
ऑटो बड़ी पे
एक ही कॉल.
एक ही हुआ सर, सिंगल.
वो तो बहुत दूर था.
So it's 5:15 now, roughly 2.5 hours into the jungle. And though we did not manage to see the tiger, but we've seen smaller animals like peacock and the others.
आणि काय म्हणतात ते पिकॉक. इंडियन गर्ल कोणाकडे ते?
Indian gaur कहाँ दिखा?
केजप.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे दिखते ही है वो रास्ते पे।
कारवान ते पहिले मारा जवळ
सो गाइस, अभी हम लोग ब्रेक के लिए रुके हुए हैं। सो अभी तक तो हमें कोई साइटिंग हुई नहीं है। तो फिलहाल हम लोग एक ब्रेक के लिए रुके हुए हैं, जो भी ब्रेक के पॉइंट्स बनाए हुए होते हैं सफारी के लिए। सो आज हमने अपने हैम्पर में कुछ मिनी बर्गर्स, सम स्प्राउट सैलेड एंड कुछ कुकीज़ पैक करे थे अपने गेस्ट के लिए। साथ में कुछ टी, कॉफ़ी एंड सम अदर थिंग्स लाइक नमकीन हो गया, पानी के बॉटल्स हो गए। तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं। गाइस प्लीज़ डिग इन।
So we just stopped for tiffin and we got a clue that there is some sighting happening. So here we're rushing back. You can see the jeep running.
तेच तर नाही दिसत आहेत बाबा. म्हणतो मी डायरेक्ट थांबून ठेवा येतं. येतच थांबून ठेवायची पळतो आलं पटकन दिसली जाणार. मी सांगतो तुम्हाला त्या काटच गेलं टायगर चल रहा था ना वो हाँ दूसरी साइड से आऊँगा सर. इधर निकलेगा तो भी पहुंच जाते हैं. ओपन प्लेस ही है. कुठं हो तर तिथंच जाऊन म्हणतो आम्ही. चालले जाऊ का? हा? चालले जाऊ का त्या गाडा? चल चालले जाऊ ना.
We could get 2 calls. किधर से कॉल आया था? उधर से? उधर?
काहून उचलत नाही का? तू जाऊन राजा. जाऊन राजा. हो.
बस बस बस.
हो हा. ठीक आहे.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. मेरा तो पहला एक्सपीरियंस था. बहुत था वेट करने के बाद 3.5 घंटे तक जाके अगर आपको टाइगर दिखे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. खास करके मनोज सर और हमारे प्रवीण भैया उन्होंने बहुत साथ दिया.
Thanks so much, and I'm happy that at least I could show tigers to you guys. Just to give you a brief, this is how it happens. Either you see it, whenever you see it, they're king of the jungle. So when they want to show themselves up, you don't know. So the last 30 minutes was complete dramatic. We could hear the calls from here, Pranay shouting, Sanjay the driver shouting. Then we were going this side, we could hear that side. And finally we could see the Royal Majestic one walk through, sipping the water, which we took a good shot of, and then of course he walks into the wilderness again for a whole night walk. Very happy that at least I can show it to of you all, the tigers and the entire topography, and look forward to you guys talking about this to your friends and colleagues and seeing you guys again soon. Thank you.
टाइगर देख लिया आज की साइटिंग में. कैसा लग रहा तुमको?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
So finally guys, we're at the end of the journey. 4 hours of good exciting time. Adrenaline rushes time, at times sleepy because the wind and the air is so fresh. But overall a good journey. I'm happy, and I'm sure you guys would be too, and managed to see the tiger. So it's always said that it's never a no till the time we are out of the safari jungle. It can happen at any moment, any time. The other lore is that a tiger sees us 100 times, but we get to see them only one time. And these are some jungle lords which the forest people talk about. See you guys, cheers.